Hey everyone, Derek and Jasmine here at Stricker CRE, right in front of Badger Heights Plaza, recent construction development progress. We're just about 2 months away from a December completion and a lot to do. We have between up to 11,000 square feet of building floor plan. Suites can be between 1,500 square feet all the way up to a single user. Lots of options, and we definitely have an end cap with the drive-through. Very important these days. And I want to show you more about the building, the community, and what we're doing out here at Badger Heights Plaza.